Have you thought that New Jersey is not only New Jersey City, it's beyond that. It's going towards the Garden City state. It's an incredible paradise where millions of people live in tranquil peace. Today we're going to explore and I'm going to show you my journey in this magnificent state. The reason because it's called the green state is because everywhere where you are, it's trees, it's green everywhere. We're gonna explore and I'm gonna show you my points I used to move when I was over there. So here we can see the University City in the south of New Jersey. This great residence for the students, and also one of them is places where the students used to take classes. So the majority of the southern people of New Jersey used to go to this university due to it's cheaper and it's more closer. Was one of the churches that I used to go when I was over there. And here is the bridge that connects New Jersey with Delaware. Here is the place where I used to live when I was there. It's called Malaga, and this is the Malaga Lake. The people used to come and fish and chill out with their family and things like that. Also, some people used to swim. It's very beautiful to be here. This paradise, to be honest with you, I'm obsessed with this state because for me, it's my favorite in all US. It used to be the train that I used to take when I was to the church. It was a journey from every Sunday to take the bus in the morning and to go back in the midday. And this is Malaga. This is the roadway that connects Malaga with the Vineland, New Jersey. Here we are arriving to Vineland, New Jersey. This is the high school in Vineland. Vineland is one of the greatest cities in the south of New Jersey. And this is Atlantic City. It's another of the greatest city of New Jersey. This is also known as Las Vegas in the Eastern Coast due to its a lot of casinos, a lot of gambling, a lot of nightlife and all of that. Here we were arriving. We were directed towards the beach. And finally, we are on the beach. Here you can see a lot of hotels, a lot of casinos. The majority of the people in the East Coast used to come here from New York, from Boston, from Chicago, and the North Coast used to come here to gambling, all of that. Here I am in the beach, and here we have a panoramic view of where is the beach and where is the sea. This is the Atlantic Ocean. That is the reason because it's called Atlantic City. And here we have a view of what is the city during the night. As you can see, a lot of casinos. Casinos it's most that it's here in this city. Here it was a common day in Thailand. And this is the city of Camden, the neighbor city with Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. In this city, the majority of the people of Philadelphia used to come to work here. What is the reason? The reason is because the hour is more pay here that even in Philadelphia. It's for that every day a lot of people used to cross over, going to work into Camden, and during the night it's going to returning towards Philadelphia to live. This city also recently is experiment the effects of fentanyl. It's not only in Philadelphia, it's also here in this city. A lot of people consuming fentanyl in the streets. There are people that likes or looks like a zombie. Yeah, we were towards Philadelphia to the Apple store. Here we have the Apple store in Philadelphia. It's the only one that it's in the south area of New Jersey. And here we have a panoramic view of the street, of the technology. The stores used to come here. This is from telephony services like AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon. Here we were explaining that here all the telephony companies we were in the same place and they don't care to share the same room, the same place. They only stay in the same place. Here we are again in Malaga at Community. This is my favorite city of Ireland. This is Marshall, where I used to buy my clothes. Here we are in Ireland, in autumn, a rainy day. And here we are towards the church. I always used to take a coffee and a bread in the morning. Here we were in the train station. And here we were making these boxes to donate to child that doesn't have parents. This was for Christmas. And here I'm in the supermarket in Thailand, making my super and all of that. This is how you can see a Walmart in US. It's very commonly, but if you never seen, you can see right now. And here we are in Newfield, New Jersey. The people here used to live in the midst of the forest. It's very beautiful in the midst of the nature. It's a peace to live here. This was in the autumn season. It's for that all the leaves are fall and all of that. Here during the summer, everything is green. As you can see, the structures, the infrastructure of the houses, it is like cabins and all of that. I used to like this part because it was a lot of nature, a lot of houses. Here you can come and you can relax yourself, you can find your mind with yourself, and a lot of yards. Here the people used to have a lot of space for them. And here right now we are in the season of winter. Here I used to go to the bike in the morning. Here we were -2 Celsius. It was a cold day, but I used to make exercise before to enter to the job. I used to enter to the work at 10 a.m. So I used to go and work out before. Also to enjoy the panoramic views, the features. Always when I remember of New Jersey, in my mind it's a picture like living in the paradise. And that's how it was, because I was living in the midst of the forest with nature and all of that. Here we are in Thailand, coming to my work, one of the avenues of Thailand. Every day I used to take my bike and I used to go to the work like 10 minutes or something like that. And here we are arriving to the Christmas season, all the houses with all these magnificent decoration. Here I was spending time with friends, eating tacos and all of that. And here we are in a sneaker store. We take a picture with the Senator of New Jersey, the Senator Michael Testa. He used to go to the restaurant where I used to work. It's for that I take this picture with him. And here we were passing through the town center of Thailand, seeing the Christmas decoration. Here I am with my friend Melissa. where we have a lot of experience together. I told her that day, hey, take me to the town center to see the Christmas decoration, and she told me, let's go. And finally, we are arriving to the final of our journey in New Jersey. Without knowing, it was an incredible experience to be here. A lot of new things that I have got here. It was an amazing experience to be in this magnificent place. Thank you for seeing this video. See you in the following videos. Bye bye.